also known as Glamnanne, and I'm here with the CEO and founder of Olive & June, Sarah.
Hi guys, I'm Sarah. We're so excited to have you here.
And we're here to just kind of have a nail date.
Cheers!
So tell me about yourself.
I'm the founder of Olive & June. I worked in New York for 10 years and really wanted to move to LA. Basically in New York, everything's like really high-low, and in LA, I felt like there was really well-branded concepts that were at the right price point.
So Olive & June, that's such a cool name. Where did you get your inspo from?
I really was inspired by a lot of places that were pretty specific with how they named their businesses. Like they name them like dry bar, like they name them for what they actually were.
Right.
But I really wanted to name my daughter June someday, and I didn't know if that would ever happen. So one day I said to my mom, what if I named it Olive & June, which is my grandmother and great-grandmother's names? And I think she was a little bit like, maybe it should be Chrissy and June, because that's her name. But she loved it. And I think people were a little bit nervous at first that people wouldn't know it was a nail salon, but I felt like if we did our jobs right, everyone would know what Olive & June stood for. And then we did the menu of services is all my mom's family tree. So literally my great-great-grandmother all on down, everyone has a service named after them.
So cool.
Yeah.
Seriously, that is so cool. So when did you realize beauty was your passion?
I know most people that start beauty businesses are like obsessed with products, and I was never that person. I'm actually the kind of person who gets their products and doesn't want to open them because I want to like, right? Yeah. Or like you get a pair of shoes and you just like don't want to open it, it like sits in the box.
I'll just look at that.
Yeah. So that's how I was about products. I really enjoy making people feel good every day. So for me, it was more client service and feeling like there was a hole in the market of really well-branded nail salon that delivered on like 7 different categories.
So you're such a successful business owner and beauty boss. Do you have any like recommendations or tips for entrepreneurs out there?
I'm a bit of a romantic, and I believe literally that anyone can do anything. If people want to start a business, it's 90% hard work and 10% really institutional knowledge, which you can learn.
So you started these salons. What's next for Olive & June?
It's been such a wild ride. The salons have been so amazing, but we really want to spread this happiness on a bigger scale. So we came out with sandals last year. Beauty tea has already come out. We've just gotten so much feedback about how do we recreate the Olive & June Manny at home. And so we have created nail stickers. You peel them off of the sticker, you put them on, you top coat, and you are good to go.
So if I get a regular manicure and I like feel like switching up my style next week when I'm at home, I can add these when I'm there?
Absolutely. With these, it's amazing. Like you could have a 2 or 3 day old manicure. It's Friday, you're ready to go out, you want something more fun, and you could add the nail stickers. It feels like it's the perfect, really fun, easy way to change your look. One of the things that we're most passionate about at Olive & June is just making sure that every experience is super tailored and special. When clients come in for the first time, we have a client preference form that they fill out, and it's, you know, what nail shape do you like? Well, how do you like your cuticles? How do you like your massage pressure? Every experience should be personalized and tailored and specific.
I love that. That's probably the coolest thing about all of this, seriously, because having to retell someone to do something a bunch of different times, and if it's on file, that makes it so much easier. So you guys have got my back, is what you're saying.
We do. We have got you, girl. Don't worry about it.
So I saw that you were talking on your Instagram about taking nail breaks. What does that mean?
Sometimes you let your skin have a minute.
Yeah.
Sometimes you let your hair have a minute. You don't always put in products on your skin, on your hair. I feel like the exact same way your nails absolutely need a break. So while they don't technically scientifically need to breathe, they need a break. And so what we suggest, if you do weekly or bi-weekly manis, just take a day off, just like a day, which is what I'm doing right now. Don't look too closely. and if you do gels, like take a couple of days in between if you can. Our beauty tea that we're launching has horsetail in it. Drink the tea, everybody drink the tea, or use like, you know, have a supplement, you know, work on your health as well as much, because that will definitely promote healthy, you know, hair, skin, and nails. So it's really about having a nail routine.
So this tea that we're drinking, this has beauty benefits?
It does. I'm drinking the rosy matcha, which is delicious and caffeinated, and you're drinking the minty lavender, which we've been trying not to like gulp down.
Literally. Like I love it.
And if you drink the tea every day and you're consistent about it, it has made my nails so much stronger.
And now just gonna have all of it then.
Drink it all.
Do you have any more?
Yes, we need as much as
a lot.
possible.
A lot of it. So I know at IPSY, they're all about unique beauty. How do you incorporate that into Olive and June?
I'm pretty passionate about this. I feel like there's a lot of nail art out there. We do a lot of nail art. You walk in with a picture of your cute little dog and you're like, put this on my nail, we will do it. You know, anything from Cookie Monster to a really, really chic Geo Manny. Like, we really try to be as much of everything to everyone as possible. You do you.
So if I brought in a picture of my pet lizard, you could put his face on my nails?
Yes, and we do this series on Instagram called Could This Be a Manny? And the joke kind of behind the scenes is like, everything could be a Manny.
Yeah.
So you could literally, any pattern, any design,
wow,
any print, you can really translate it. So maybe that's the next video, is you challenging us.
Yeah, that's a good challenge
All these
video. I'm
pictures.
gonna bring in some stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something. I know I did. And thanks for having us.
Thank you for coming. It was so much fun.
Yeah,
I am so excited that you got nail stickers.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all check out all of our new products on our website. The link is down below. And our Instagram.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.